The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra's first official render is out, and it's already raising eyebrows. Leaked by the reliable Evan Blass, the image might be low-res, but it's clear enough to spot some bold and potentially divisive design shifts. Samsung has made 4 notable changes, and 3 of them will likely be controversial. The notch is the first one to catch attention. It's been reshaped into a slimmer V-cut, replacing the wider version from before. While smaller is technically better, it's still a notch on a large-screen tablet where many believe it shouldn't exist in the first place. Oddly, the dual front-facing camera setup is gone, replaced by just one camera. This raises concerns about the removal of features like auto-framing during video calls. Although Apple manages to pull that off with one lens, Samsung users have grown accustomed to more, and this change feels like a step back. The second major shift involves the S Pen, and it's a puzzling one. Samsung's tablets have long featured a magnetic strip on the back to attach and wirelessly charge the S Pen. But this time, it's missing. Several theories come into play. Perhaps the magnets are still there, hidden beneath the surface, for a cleaner design. Or maybe Samsung has moved the charging point to the tablet's side, mimicking Apple's strategy. But the worst-case scenario, Samsung may have removed the Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen entirely. That wouldn't be unprecedented. The company has publicly said less than 1% of users rely on those features. Still, removing them on a tablet that serves productivity users seems tone-deaf. Making things even more uncertain, the S Pen design looks different too. Sharper edges, closer in appearance to the Apple Pencil, possibly hinting at a shift to a battery-powered active stylus that needs to be charged to function. Camera aesthetics have changed too. The rear lenses no longer sit in distinct rings. They now blend into the body, echoing the minimalist design seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's a visual update, not a functional one, but worth noting. One of the few purely positive developments comes from Galaxy Club, which reports a long overdue battery upgrade. The Tab S11 Ultra is expected to get a capacity boost of around 500 mAh, reaching roughly 11,700 mAh. Since the S8 Ultra in 2022, Samsung hasn't really improved battery size until now. As for the base Tab S11, it'll retain the same capacity as the Tab S9, and there's no Plus variant this year. Inside, there's another surprising twist. The chipset. Samsung is using the MediaTek Dimensity 940 Plus, not Snapdragon. Benchmarks reveal 2,600 single-core and 8,000 multi-core scores. Respectable figures and a clear jump from the Tab S10 Ultra, but far from the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the S25 Ultra. That chip hits over 10,000 in multi-core scores. While most users won't feel the difference during daily use, the value question creeps in when you're shelling out around $1,200 for a flagship device. According to the leaks, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to launch within the next couple of months. Whether these bold changes signal progress or compromise, the full picture will become clearer very soon.